Guys, we just had a street food trip, but this time we're looking for dessert because Milton there, over there, that's Milton Salon. She wants to have some dessert, or she want to buy belt in Ayala, but we told her that if she wants us to come, she needs to buy us desserts. So they're eating some greasy stuff. I think it's perfect time for something sweet. And let's see what happens. Hi guys, we're here at the newest Ayala malls here at Manila Bay, and we have recently opened mall. We're checking out this Chinatown where there are so many milk tea shops. Hopia station, they have 2 heat in here. They have Poland Hopia here. Shit. There's Lucky Dragon milk tea. We're gonna have Lucky Dragon milk tea tonight, because we'll be one of the first people to taste Lucky Dragon Pearl Milk Tea. So this is Lucky Dragon Pearl Milk Tea. And that's their brown sugar with pearl and milk. So ano yung best seller mo?
Ano po, A1 and then A.
Saan yung mas masarap para sa'yo?
Yung milk tea po, yung may milk.
A1?
Yung may milk.
Okay.
Yung best seller namin.
A1. So pahingin ng isang A1. Yes. We're gonna try out their brown sugar with pearl milk. So yes, this mall is gonna be an awesome mall because they have so many places to eat, especially for a foodie. I think this Chinatown, Koreatown concept is really nice. I mean, they even have Walker Chan here. Well, you know, this one doesn't eat, but yeah, probably she'll like the tea here. So let's see if Lucky Dragon Pearl Milk Tea would be delicious. So guys, now I'm gonna try out their brown sugar pearl milk tea. So yes, pearl and milk. The brown sugar, really delicious caramel, strong caramel flavor. Sweet, but you know, there's a fragrance inside your mouth. And their pearl is not that bad also, so I like their tea, honestly. One of the best ones I ever tasted. Ibali. I really like that one, their brown sugar. And they have branches all over Luzon. Actually, we have the Gupan, including Tarlac, but now they're here in Ayala malls here in Manila Bay. Check them out. Lucky Dragon.